Today, 1.7% of the human population farm, which means that the tools, the skills, the brain capacity we had as agricultural people got totally replaced. And so when we think about job replacement and the fact that computers will be smarter than humankind in our current form, we are not putting into that equation that we should be evolving and elevating our consciousness to be able to evolve past this rudimentary sort of staple that all of us have actually been indoctrinated into and baked into the educational system. So what's happened throughout the world, we've all been learning the same textbooks, the same rules, the same accounting, the same, which means that we've all kind of been programmed to the same sort of quite one-dimensional technological or sector-driven thinking. We actually haven't been given the opportunity to access our genius, to access our unique superpowers that all of us have, but education never celebrated them. Organizations never celebrated them. So we have untapped genius that none of us are actually taking into the account, and we're thinking that we're all going to be linear in fashion, and in that way, computers will replace us. Yes.